In this procedure, we will be replacing the hydraulic hose on a power gear motorized hydraulic leveling system. The tools required for this procedure are a 7/16" wrench, a 9/16" wrench, or two 9/16" wrenches. First, use one wrench to hold the jack fitting in place. Then use the other wrench to unscrew the hose from the jack fitting. Repeat process on the other end of the hose at the power unit. Install the new hose at the power unit and hand tighten. Use a wrench to tighten until snug. Turn an additional quarter turn to lock into position. Repeat process on the other end of the hose at the jack fitting. Finally, purge the system to bleed the air from the hydraulic lines.